Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to call this video P and W. Somebody sent me an email today about text a path, and originally I thought they were wanting to be able to put different text or different words on a path, on different paths, quicker. So this would be the quick way. I made a hotkey for the W, and I'll show you how to do that later, but I made the hotkey for text per path. And it also, I learned something, you can put it in the center of the circle and it puts it in the center of the path. So I've got 4 copies of this ellipse. I'm only going to grab one of them because that's all I can grab at a time. And I'm going to hit P, I'm going to hit the first name, I'm going to select it all, and then I'm going to hit W. Not only did it put it on the, and then if you really wanted to go, we could make our nudge factor well, because I've got it a path. Let me just back up here and see how big this circle is. It is 11 inches. You could set your nudge factor on 15 inches. So let's go here again. Let's grab that, put it P. So you select it all and then hit W. Well, you don't hit the W. You hit the W on the keyboard. And then we can nudge that over. P, select it all, W. Well, I did it again. Select it all and hit W. It put it on the text path, and then bump it over twice. And you could select P, W, move it over 3 times. You could grab both these because there's only 2 left, put P, select them all, and hit W. You don't even have to select them all because you've selected them all. So I learned something. When you want something in the center of the top, and we normally have to go there and wait for the red line, because this was in the center, it automatically puts it in the center. That's pretty cool. And I would think if you had to do that a lot on a bunch of name tags or something, and you just wanted that path, you could do anything with it now. You could, like I'll just show you, we could grab all these, go to object, break the objects apart, hold down the Alt key and select our circles and hit delete. Now we just have that path if we were going to put it in a name tag under that with that same path. And you could do that, you could import a whole list of names and do it that quick. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.